Yo, what up, guys? This is Josh Diaz. Today is September the 16th, 2022, and today is iPhone Day. All the new iPhones have been released. The iPhone Pro, Pro Max, and the 14. 14 Plus will be coming out in early October. So we're just going to do a quick unboxing and show you guys this new phone, show off this dynamic island. This is the box, simple white box. And I took the tabs out earlier, and here we go. I ordered this year a regular Pro in the space black, which this color looks really nice. Just seeing it right now. We got the sticker here. Everything else in the box, just like how they've been doing for the past 2 years. No charger, just got the Lightning to USB-C. And some paperwork. So let's see, ASMR time. I don't know if it was as good, but wow, really nice. I went with the Pro. The Max is just too big for me, in my opinion. I've been rocking with the 13 Pro Max. This one I think it's be a good size. So we got the cameras here, a little bit bigger bump than the 13 Pro. On the side here we have the power button, little antenna band here. Alright, we go to the left, we got the mute switch, the volume rockers, and for the US model phones, no SIM tray. So this year's iPhone is going full eSIM for the 14's lineup. So let's get this phone set up. I will show you Dynamic Island, I'll show you the action camera, just show you what's new with this year's phone. Let's go.
So one of the new features in the iPhone 14 Pro series is the action mode in the camera. So I recorded this earlier. I'm doing a voiceover right now just so you can have better audio. Right now the action mode's off. I'm showing you I have no gimbal, no anything. Action mode is all off. I'm just doing a light little walk, but right now I'm running. So I'm doing a little jog just to show you what it looks like with the action mode off. So you can see it's kind of shaky. You can see my hand movement, and it's not stable at all. This next shot is going to be right here. Action mode is on. So I turned it on. I'm doing a little light walk right now, just like I did in the previous clip. Any minute now I should start running. And then here we go. Okay, I'm doing light run just like last time, and you could see the difference. You could see a slight shaking, but it's much more stable, much more clear. And once again, I'm not using a gimbal. I was holding it in my hand and just running, hanging it right here, and I'm walking. And just showing you guys once again, my hands are clear, no gimbal, no anything. guys, so that is my video, 1 week with the iPhone 14 Pro. Just going over a few of the features that I enjoy. Is it worth an upgrade? If you have a 13, 12, I feel like you could hold on to it for another year. Just see what they do in 2023. Right now, not really necessary to upgrade to the 14. Dynamic Island, really cool, but it's still early, so not a lot of apps support it. I think as the months go on, we are going to see more app support and it'll be more useful. But it is really cool, and I can't wait to see what the developers come out with. Always on display, just really quickly. It's I mean, it's pretty cool. I like that I'm able to see the time whenever I want. If any notifications pop up, I could just take a quick glance at my phone. I could do without it. It's not really much of a game changer, but that's all I have to say. I do have to just say iOS 16 is really great. If you have a 13 or a 12 and you really want to upgrade, I just say upgrade to iOS 16. Your phone will feel like a whole new phone, and you get to enjoy many of the new features. But that is all I have to say for this video. Peep the case, leather MagSafe video coming out soon. Subscribe for that. I'll check you guys later. Peace out.